Gibbs Fishing, we believe when you step away from the noise, something shifts, things settle. You slow down, and you take in what's around you. You create memories with others. You feel more grounded.
We believe sport fishing offers this escape, this healing, and we have believed this for 118 years. It's our purpose.
But you need healthy fisheries and access to do this. And we know that healthy fisheries don't happen by accident. They're built over time through stewardship, lasting partnerships, and people who care about something bigger than themselves. So we're going to lean in even more.
We're launching the Gibbs Fishing Stewardship Program. This is about backing the groups already doing the real work, the ones sustaining fisheries, expanding access, and teaching the next generation.
Is that the biggest fish you've ever caught?
Because healthy fisheries don't just sustain the resource. They support the communities, livelihoods, and small businesses that depend on them.
Through the Gibbs Fishing Stewardship Program, we're going to be providing targeted funding through grant opportunities and strategic support. This is not a campaign. This is a long-term commitment to the future of recreational fishing.
If we want people to get back to what matters, the opportunity has to be there.
So we're investing now to make sure these fisheries stay healthy, accessible, and around for the long run.
So more people can escape through sport fishing and come back a little more grounded.